With the predicted expansion of the automotive sector in Africa, Botswana is already well positioned to increase activity and grow the country's automotive industry. The country already plays host to a number of companies that supply automobile components to South Africa, and the demand for automotive components within the region presents multiple opportunities for investors. Among the key opportunities in the automotive sector are parts and component supply to South Africa, supply of replacement parts of vehicles of large-scale projects such as mining and agricultural projects, expansion of existing component manufacturing industries. Take advantage of these opportunities. Be part of our phenomenal growth story. Invest in Botswana. Akula Botswana.